Welcome to Two Monkeys. Today we're going to be reviewing
Cowboys and Aliens.
Directed by Jon Favreau, starring Robert Downey Jr.
And we just came back from the screening.
And it was really a great experience.
It was amazing. People were dressed up like aliens and cowboys. And
I really was psyched to get to watch it in this venue because it's the best place to watch a film is with all the people who are so into
Jon
it.
Favreau, who's gone from
come
Swingers
so far, and
Iron Man,
and really in this he's really proving himself to be quite a versatile and amazing director. Who would never have known that coming to where he's come from, but. We're going to be reviewing that film in the next few minutes, and stand by after this.